Hello peeps of the world, my name's Shane, and today I found a Nintendo 64! Whoa! Stylish, brand new, unused Nintendo 64! Yeah! What the heck? So, as you can see, it is dead. It's blown to smithereens, basically. Just the top's ripped off, everything's rusted, blah blah blah. But I still believe I can fix it. So, I wasn't here during the the 1990s and such. Oh God, I probably got people mad. It's from this year instead of this year. You're dork. Well, I wasn't born in that time. I was born in the early 2000s. Whenever we had flip Game Boys. Yeah. Forget flip phones, boy. We had flip Game Boys. Boy memes. God, I hate. Anyway, so, but I had the GameCube. That's what I had when I was growing up. I had the GameCube. I had the flip Game Boy. I had the DS. The first one, the big chunky blue one. I just want to see basically if this can turn on, cause it doesn't look like anything is missing. Like the important parts. Like, see, you got this part right here. You got these parts. The controllers. You got the on and off switch on the top. You had the port right here. You got the back port, whatever the fudge that does. You got two power. You got this one and this one back here, and you got this one for memory. So yeah, you basically have everything here. So I want to see basically if I can fix it or not. Hi me, I'm really sweaty because I just got back from that bike ride I just told you guys about. Because that's where I found this. I'm just bike riding away and it's on top of a pole like this. And I'm like, oh my God. This totally sounds like it's like the starting of like a creepy pasta. Yeah, creepy pasta. It's like I found the random Nintendo 64 and I turned it on. Mario was there and he's like, lulu. And then it started, and then the TV started, the TV was jammed. So basically I'm gonna go clean off my table. We're outside because it's better outside, look at that. Look at all that vitamin D! Whoa! So much vitamin D. You need vitamin D. Okay, after this, go for like a walk or something. I don't know what you want. I don't know what you need. But I know you need a walk! Hi guys! So I can't. So, use the entire Nintendo in a better lighting. There's TV in the background, it's fine. So, I was just gonna get some Q-tips, tweezers, and then get out all the sticks and such. And then, tomorrow, for me, I have to, get the special security nut, out. There's something missing here, but turns out it's just a button, but I probably don't want to mess with that. Okay. Hi guys. It's in a glass dish, and I don't want to unscrew it because we don't have it's too rusted. So of course we're gonna use our good old friendly CLR. Hooray! So just bam, and then overnight, and then ta-da, and then I have to get my wisdom teeth pulled tomorrow. Yeah. Ooh. That's fun because it's been biting my mouth. I've been biting my mouth. And it's annoying. I'm also going to be de-rusting the screwdriver I found in the dirt. It's a shadow. Wow, that's great. That's fantastic. No, but I just found it in the ground, so just stick it in like, might as well do the whole thing. I really don't want to break this. It's really, I don't know, seems really neat. Okay. Okay, I have to move this, so I'm going to move you too. There we go. More flattened surface. That should get most of it down. So the key is pushed down really hard to get it to break the connection, and then it just unscrews. Hey! Look, it's unscrewing. Look at it. It's so tiny. Oh. Let's zoom in on that. Oh. Oh. This is the aluminum heat sink. It's got to be as big as it is. Should we like, put it on a napkin? Yeah, we should. Probably a napkin in. So, of course, we dipped it in the CLR here. This one. Yeah, so we dipped it in the CLR, and of course, that got it pretty good. But of course, I have this toothbrush. I'm just gonna get in there a lot. Hike into the woods. We hike into the woods. We hike into the woods. Da 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 da.
Hike into the woods. We're going on an adventure. Hiking in the woods. Hiking in the woods.
This is really bad. Okay. Hello, peeps of the world. My name's Jared, and today we're gonna see where I found the Nintendo 64. T-pose.
Live streaming, boys.
Yeah, this stuff. So this is the trail I went on in order to find the NES. this is. Ta-da! It was right on top of this pole. That's where I found the Nintendo 64. It was right there, you guys. It was right here on my bike. You know, ready to go on the trail, you know, looking over there and such. And then I look back over here and like, bam, it's right there. I'm like, whoa! So then I book it down that way. You know, with my bike. You know, new barbed wire or something. Weird. Super weird. A suitcase. I didn't see that suitcase though. But that's where it was. That's where the thing was. What? What's in the what? The 10? Oh, the tin. I don't know. We got a battery pack.
I mean,
That's
there's
good.
a lock.
Oh, Pop-Tart.
Tiny lock.
There's a Pop-Tart thing. I freeze them and eat them? What?
Oh, that's probably why they're getting rid of it. It doesn't have to. Oh, it's okay.
Well, what's in it? It could be nothing. I wouldn't want to touch this stuff too much. Dude, a free sign! Nice! Okay.
$3.
Is there anything like you and like that's cool?
Tiny lock is the inside.
There's another modem. There's a a phone. No, wait. There's a USB, but like for this. I have no idea.
That plugs into your microphone.
No, it doesn't. No, not even close.
It looks like it.
No, it doesn't, dude. I know what plugs into my thing because I'm looking at it right now. No.
Not that microphone.
What about the midget chair? What about the other one, Jaden? Don't you want the other one?
The other one, no.
Oh, okay. I mean, you could just pressure wash it or something. It's a small little adventure. There's a pot. Pants. Don't put things out of the box too much. We can get this rock! Oh, a pinwheel. That's neat.
And a tiny football. There's feathers and cups.
Okay, are we done?
Yeah, that's pretty much all interesting.